be difficult drilling larger holes through metal because of the actual chuck size on the drill that you're using. You're often limited by the size of the chuck. In most cases that will be 13mm or roughly ½ an inch. That's where the Blacksmith drill comes in. That is a drill bit, that one is 22mm, and you'll notice at the end there the shank has actually been reduced. That means that you can use this in a traditional 13mm drill. But you have to be extremely careful because you can put a lot of strain on the drill. You can damage it if you're not careful. So you do have to be careful when you're using these, especially in some cordless power tools. I've got a few different sizes here. The large one is 22mm. They go right down to 15mm, which is this small one. We're just going to drill a couple of pilot holes in this before we go through with the Blacksmith drill. You'll notice that I've got the workpiece up against the pillar at the back there. So if any of the drill bits do actually bite into the workpiece, there's no way they can actually turn it round because it's stopped by the pillar. So we're now going to switch the drill on and go through with a 4mm drill bit first. We're now going to put an 8.6mm drill bit in the chuck and we'll just tighten that up. And this time I'm going to put a bit of coolant on there. We're now going to put the 20mm drill bit in the chuck and then we'll tighten that up. The drill bit is so long that I've had to move the actual table out of the way, so that is at the back. I've now put this on a block of wood, and again it is firmly up against the pillar at the back, so there's no chance at all of that actually spinning round and hitting us if the bit does catch. Now another problem with these bits is you need to go very slow with them. The larger the drill bit you are using, the slower you need to go. Unfortunately you're limited by the actual machine that you're using. This one will only go down to about 496 RPM, which is a little bit fast for a drill bit of this size. So we're just going to peck at this piece of metal and ensure that we use quite a lot of coolant and lubricant. So Blacksmiths drill bits are very useful. You can see that we drilled a 20mm hole through this 10mm thick steel bore. Like I said, this drill is a little bit too fast. We should have really had it on a much slower speed for that size of drill bit, but you are limited by the equipment that you are using.